Hi, this is Dr. Chirag here. I am a practicing dentist in Ghatkopar and I recently enrolled for a 4-day course of Dr. Aslam Inamdar, which gives a beautiful insight to how digital smile designing is practiced these days. He has come up with a new concept called Copy Paste and Smile and create a beautiful smile. Now, this is something unheard of. He solidly took great pains and explain in detail about how expansive the concept is, how different it is from the current practice of veneers and the indirect veneers that are placed inside the mouth by most of the dentists. Now this something stresses upon the fact that make it as natural as possible. The course content was apt, beautifully designed. The entire content that was spread over 4 days covered almost everything, and it gave a lot of inputs and those tips and tricks required for a dentist to start practicing this in his daily practice. The cherry on the cake was also a rocking party thrown by Dr. Aslam at a nearby rooftop bar, where he distributed the certificates. Also, the live case presentation that went on for 3 out of these 4 days gave us an overall idea about how the course should be done, right from prepping up a patient to the final cementation. Everything was systematically presented before a dentist. I'm 100% sure that many course participants will go here on and start practicing indirect veneering with this concept in mind.